Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at ProfitVibe. This is gonna let you guys create your very own music streaming website or music streaming platform. And the best part about this, guys, that you can make money with your streaming website with multiple ways. You can make money with this, guys, by selling other people's product or by promoting other people's product as an affiliate, or you can make money with this, guys, by selling your own product by putting a banner ads into your streaming website. And you can also monetize your website, guys, with Google AdSense. You basically connect your Google AdSense account into your website. That way you will get paid every time you have an ads into your website. All right, and the best part, you can also charge monthly subscription to those people that wanted to listen to a music without an advertisement, or you can charge one-time payment with this, guys, which is really cool. And if you don't want to sell membership subscription, then you can just give away an account, a free account. You can let other people register their account into your own website. That way every time they visit your website and you have an ads into your website, you have a banner ads and you have a Google ads, then you can make money with that every time someone click on the ads and someone purchase on the product or offer that you are promoting. Right, it's really cool and it's really powerful to make money online right now. Right now, before I'm gonna walk you through, guys, inside of the members area of ProfitVibe. And by the way, guys, this is your website looks like, and it's pretty close to Spotify, right? So this is your ProfitVibe streaming platform, and this is Spotify streaming platform, right? It's almost the same, but you can, basically customize your website. All right, and the best part about this is, guys, that you don't need to like worrying about connecting your domain, purchasing a hosting, because everything is included, guys. Let me show you some of the feature of this application right here. Alright, guys, you can sell access to other people. You can charge subscription base or one-time payment. You can create unlimited streaming, unlimited playlists. There's a built-in lyrics. This includes 100 million plus songs. And the best part about this is all automated, so you don't need to worry about adding a song. It's all automated and they keep on adding constantly. All right, and you can monetize your website with different kind of affiliate offers. If you wanted to sell other people's product or your own product, you can put a banner ads into your website, or you can monetize your website with Google AdSense, right? And there are many other features inside of this tool. Now, before I'm going to show you the demo of this, guys, let me show you first my bonuses. That way, when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, you will get access as well to additional value that will really help you guys out, surefire your success with ProfitVibe. When you guys click the link below this video, it will bring you to my bonus page right here. And when you scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, you're gonna get access to all of my bonuses right here. My bonus number 1, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to 25,000 music library, and you will get access this in the cloud. This also comes with the software that will also generate music for you, and you can download this automatically in your computer, and you don't need to download all of this in your computer. You can get access to this in the cloud, right? There is a software, a built-in software inside of this music library, and you can get instant access to 25,000, and you can generate original audio using the software as well. Right? So that is my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2, I'm gonna show you guys a hack on how to make money by simply listening to music. Right? So I have a guide on how to do this, guys. How to make like $5, a minimum of $5 by just simply listening to music, right? Which is really powerful. And then next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to a software. This is a bot, a Google Chrome extension that will help you guys drive free traffic into your music streaming website, right? This will give you a following. So if you wanted to start a a Twitter account or Twitter page, your Twitter page, your music streaming Twitter page will get a follower on autopilot, alright, which is really powerful. And then my bonus number 4, I'm gonna show you how to make, guys, a minimum of $10 on Fiverr without any skills. You basically copy and paste method. I'm gonna reveal to you guys a copy and paste method inside of this video tutorial to make a minimum of $10 over and over again on Fiverr without any skills, which is really powerful. And then you will get access as well to all vendor bonuses, right, guys? All vendor bonuses, right? So those are all of my bonuses, and all of these bonuses, guys, are waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account. And when you guys click any of these buttons right here, it will take you guys to the sales page of ProfitVibe, and the headline says brand new Spotify killer lets you start your own music service, stream unlimited songs for yourself, and sell access to other people. You can sell, just like I said, you can sell monthly subscription to those people that wanted to listen to a music without any subscription, or you can, you know, sell one-time payment, or you can just give away an account and then you can let other people, you know, log into their account. That way you can monetize those people when they click on your ads and you make money. All right, so yeah, I guess now there are some upsells within this product. You can learn all these upsells by, you know, visiting my bonus page right here. All right, for the front end, this is only $17 without monthly payment, and there is a downsell which is $15. OTO number 1, which is the pro version of this, $36. OTO number 2, the downsell of the pro version, which is $26. OTO number 3 is the ProfitVibe done for you, so they will set up everything for you. This is $36. And then OTO number 4, the downsell, which is $26. OTO number 5 is a reseller license, so if you wanted to resell this product as your own, then this is $197, and you will keep 100% of the profit yourself, right? And then OTO number 6 is the reseller license downsell, which is now $97. OTO number 7, which is the ProfitVibe IMX. I'm not really sure what this is all about. You can learn more about this by you know, going into the funnel. And then OTO number 8 is this, you know, downsell of that IMX, which is $67. All right, so those are the upsells of ProfitVibe. Alright, guys, so I'm just gonna play a demo video for you, that way you can see the power of this, how this works, and how you can get started using this tool to make money online. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next review video. Bye, love you, mwah.
What if you could have your very own music streaming service that you can either use to listen to premium music for free, or use it to monetize it and share this content with other people, and you can monetize it through ads, different offers that you can promote on your own streaming service, exactly like Spotify. This is all possible with ProfitVibe. Within ProfitVibe, you're going to get access to a full app where you're going to have control over your own user base. You'll be able to edit it however you want to, and so much more. So let's just dive into the most important features of ProfitVibe. Right here, I have already included it with my own Spotify ID. So now all of these songs that people search for or listen to will be credited to me in my Spotify account. So for example, if I want to listen to Shape of You, you'll see it pulls up the video on the right side. Music starts here and you can see the length of it. You can either toggle video to see it full screen, and you also have your very own playlist specially created for you that you can just let play, and you'll see on the right side here all of the songs that ProfitVibe has tailored for you depending on the song that you first picked. Now, this is all great if you want to use ProfitVibe to listen to songs without any ads like Spotify Premium does. But how can you monetize it? So we're going to head over into your very own admin area where we have all of these statistics here, and let's just go through all of them quickly. So we have the analytics page, which is going to help you in seeing which subscriptions are best and what songs people listen to most. Next, you can change your site's appearance however you want to by picking different logos, picking different landing pages. If you want to create your very own theme, that's possible. You can also even rebrand ProfitVibe and put your own name here, so it comes with a full commercial license to sell this service to other people. Next, we have a plethora of settings that we can go through and customize to make sure that we offer exactly what we want to within our own app. We have plans and subscriptions that people can sign up for. As you can see here, I've created a couple of plans. We have the Pro, Regular, and Enterprise at different prices, and they're all charged monthly. You can also charge them yearly and put whatever price you want. This is sort of your very own Spotify premium subscription if you want to remove the ads from your site or act exactly like Spotify premium. Under subscriptions, we can see all of the users that have our subscriptions and what they bought. We can also upload our own songs, our own channels, our own artists, albums, tracks, genres, if we don't want to do it directly from Spotify. As you can see right here, we have all of our data providers, which is for us Spotify, and with our very own Spotify ID and Spotify secret. We then also have a lyrics provider, so users can check out the lyrics in real time as they're looking or listening to their preferred song. Next, if you want to have your own artists on ProfitVibe, that's also possible, and you can allow them to upload their own albums, tracks, or anything you want, and they're going to show up right here in the requests, and you'll be able to approve or deny any requests so you can have full control over your very own music streaming service. You can see all of the comments here. If any users want to suggest any improvements or any problems with the app, you can see them right here and then forward them to us if there is anything that we can fix or help you with. You can see all of your users under the user tab and manage them just as you would with a fully fledged web application. Next, we have the roles where you can assign different roles to people, and you can create different roles to make sure they have exactly the permissions that you want them to have. As you can see right here, they can have all of these permissions that you can play around with to create your perfect plan and subscription. You have a bunch of custom pages that you can use, including privacy policy, terms of service, and about us that you can edit and make sure they reflect your business. You can see all of the files that your customers upload so you can manage them and make sure they're within your terms of service. And last but not least, you can add your own ads and you can see how or where they're going to appear right here. You can add either banners or just simple text, and they're going to appear on your entire website everywhere people look to make sure your engagement is maximized. And with our PDF training that covers each of these settings and helps you in launching your own music streaming service, purchasing ProfitVibe is a no-brainer. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.